done dismantling the...
Oh!
Put it back so they can blow out the candles.
Blow out the candle. Okay.
Put your candle on there, Cody.
Let me see, Bubba.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
He's blowing it.
Happy birthday, dear Grady and Cody. Happy birthday to
I'm gonna turn it
you.
on.
Blow it.
Blow the
Blow,
candles.
blow.
Blow,
Blow,
Grady. Blow, Grady.
Blow.
Yay!
I'll turn it down. Here.
Okay, so what about me?
All right.
Did you have to get a pink one, Mom?
Don't do that.
He remembered his first birthday.
Yeah. Here, wait a minute. Lexi.
Hey, it's me.
Scoot your pants up.
Put that shot on that plate.
That piece that goes on it.
Grady, is that good, Bubba? Huh? That good?
I don't know. Where'd my kid go? Olivia!